The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own story as well as Jenny's. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. So now this story is all coming up to round up. Here, Fritz and his father went to the captain. They introduced themselves. They told about Jenny. Then all were surprised as he was the one, Jenny's father was the one who had sent the captain to search for her daughter who was lost 3 years ago. And the captain had decided to find her. With a burst of celebration, the family, passengers, and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. तो सब बहुत ही खुश थे, जो फैमिली थी, पैसेंजर्स थे, क्रू थे, because they have achieved and succeeded in finding the person whom they were searching for such a long time. Now everyone started towards the New Switzerland, and everyone was very surprised to see how this family was so much in good health, and they survived on this island with their intelligence and their determination. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. So now the family had an opportunity. Before all these years, they did not have the opportunity to move out of this island where they had been stuck. So they started living in this space, started to make their own house, grow trees, grow vegetables, and they started to live. But now, since they had a ship over here, they had the opportunity to move out. So the father decided that they should make decisions of who wanted to stay on this island and who wanted to leave. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. So the mother and father, they decided to live here only on the island. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Abhi, there are some people who, when they get used to certain things, they don't want changes. So even Elizabeth and William, they had been on this island for so long, and that now this was supposed to be their house. They felt it as their home only, and they did not want it to go anywhere else. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. So Jenny was going with the crew to England, and she asked if anyone was going to accompany her. Fritz was the first to respond. So Fritz, he told that he would come along. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Then he offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. Then Ernest जो था वो island पर ही रहना चाहता था. Jack also decided to stay back. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in leaving. तो जो फ्रांस था, जो सबसे यंग था, सबसे छोटा भाई था, he decided to leave with Fritz. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education because Franz wanted to educate himself. So he wanted to receive an academic education. So he left with Fritz. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. Before Fritz left, he told his parents about his love for Jenny, that he loved Jenny and he wished to marry her. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the island. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. The father had recorded all the things that they had done during their stay on this island, and he handed over the journal or the book in which he had written all the adventures, and he gave it to the captain to publish. यानी कि इसका एक बुक छापने के लिए उसने उस कैप्टन को दे दिया, ताकि people also come to know how they survived and how they lived on this island with with very little or no means at all to survive. Then the ship departed. Then the ship which had come, it left with Fritz, Jenny, and Franz. So here this story ends, and it is a very beautiful story, and we get to learn a lot of things apart from adventure. How these people, how these children survived, and how they built their own lifestyle, how they made houses. So it's a very interesting story. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.